Look everyone, it's Mack from Disney Pixar's Cars. Do you know who Mack transports? Take a guess. It's Lightning McQueen. Ka-chow. Let's see what Lightning and Mack are up to. Hey Mack, I've been meaning we need to train at a, new track. I'm kind of getting bored. Okay, Lightning. Well, I have an idea. What about we tried something a little more spirally? Yeah, I think that could work, Mack. Let's try... Ooh, what about the VTech Go-Go Smart Wheels Spinning Spiral Tower playset? Oh, that's a cool one. Let's build it. I think this is what Lightning was talking about. The VTech Go-Go Spinning Spiral Tower playset. Wow, look at all these parts. Do you want to help me build it? Let's go. Let's start with the base. Anytime you have a tower, you want to start with the base. This looks like it could be the finish line arch. Let's put that on. Good job. Next, we need to put in the support beams. These are yellow. The yellow support beams go inside of the orange platform. Just like that. Let's put those in. Good job. Just one more to go on the base layer. Awesome. Next, I think we need to put a track in here that goes up to the support beam. Let's see if this green one fits. It looks like it has room for the support beams. Let's drop it on. Perfect fit. It's already starting to look like an awesome track. Looking good, everyone. Keep up the good work. Now we just need to add more of the yellow support beams so we know where the track goes. Great job. It's looking really good, everyone. This one says level 1. Let's see if it fits. And it does. Perfect fit. Wow, this is really gonna be cool for Lightning. How you guys doing? You need any help? No, I think we're okay, Mack. You just hang out with Lightning and we'll have the track ready for you soon. Okay. Next up comes the red track. This one's gonna go right in the center post. Just like that. And it snaps into place, and just make sure that you snap in the post. Next, we're gonna put in the top section. Snaps into place. Now look at this. We have level 3, 2, 1, and the ground level. Don't worry, Lightning, we're almost done. Oh, no problem, guys. I'm just over here hanging out with Mack. No rush. Do you think something's missing? What do you think this is for? It looks like it's a track switcher. Do you think another track can go here? Let's check it out. Yes, there's a track here. This one just snaps right in. Now we're getting somewhere. The car wash is the connector piece with this blue bridge, and the purple piece connects to that, and now check it out. Wow. Now let's put on the finishing touch. And just like that, it's ready for Lightning McQueen. La-da-da-da-da, I'm just waiting, la-da-da-da-da. Hey, Lightning. I heard the track's done. Do you want to try it out? Oh yeah, ka-chow. Woo, go Lightning go, go Lightning go. Here I go, Mack. Woo! Wow, that was fun. Can we do it again, Mac? Woo! That's fun. Hey, I have an idea, Lightning. Have you ever tried going backwards? Oh, that's a little crazy, Mac, but let's try it. Whoa, 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 whoa! Wow. Lightning, you don't need to keep facing backwards. Oh, yeah. That was exhilarating. Hey, you know what's cool, Lightning? Check that out. There's a gas pump. Oh, yeah. No need for a pit crew. Glug, 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 glug. Ah, refreshing.
Hey, Lightning, you mind if I take a little shower?
Oh, Mac, go for it. You deserve it.
Thanks.
Ah, that's nice. Well, Mac, I think we got enough practice in. I'm all gassed up and ready to go. Just one more thing.
Yeah?
Do you want to try going down?
You know, I'm not one for racetracks. Maybe if I disconnect my trailer.
Go for it, man. Woohoo! Go, Mac, go! Go, Mac, go! Go, Mac, go!
Whew! That's a wild ride. I think I'll stick to the road next time.
All right, well, I'm really proud of you for trying. That's adventurous, and adventure is out there. You know, Mac, I'm feeling a little tired. You mind taking me back to Radiator Springs?
Oh, my pleasure, Lightning. All right, heading to Radiator Springs. Blah, 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 blah.